Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing the car and starting the drain. Park level, set the parking brake and chock the rear wheels, safety first. Start the engine for 5 to 10 minutes so oil reaches normal operating temperature, because warm oil drains faster. Once done, turn the engine off and open the hood. Remove the oil fill cap to help airflow. Move a 6QT drain pan under the drain plug. Then loosen the plug with the correct sized socket. Expect some pressure as the oil begins to flow. Once most oil has drained, you continue with the filter change. Locate the oil filter. On a 2019 Pilot, it sits under the engine. Slide the drain pan to catch residual oil. Use a strap or cap filter wrench to loosen and remove the old filter, letting trapped oil drain away. Avoid cross-threading when removing. Prepare the new filter by lightly coating its rubber gasket with fresh 0W20 oil, then thread it by hand until the gasket seats. After that, tighten about 3/4 of a turn or to the specified torque. You finish by refilling and verifying the system. Replace the drain plug with a new crush washer if used, torque to spec, then add 0W20 oil through the filler to about 4, 5 to 5. 5QT, start with 4. 5QT. Start the engine for 30 to 60 seconds to circulate oil, turn off, wait 1 to 2 minutes, then check the dipstick and top to the proper level. Finally, inspect for leaks around the plug and filter. If a leak appears, tighten or reseat the filter. Troubleshooting tip: if pressure warning.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.